All right, guys, welcome back. I had to show you guys this delicious buffalo mac and cheese. I sent you a little preview of what it was going to look like. I'm telling you, this one is on point, and I cannot wait to show you this recipe. Get ready for a good one. Just enjoy the process. All right, so let's talk about this buffalo mac and cheese. So my wife comes to me the other day and she's like, I'm in the mood for a buffalo mac and cheese. And I'm like, done. I can definitely make that. First up, I'm gonna make mine a little bit different. I cut up some bacon. I went ahead and got some chicken thighs. I'm gonna put some delicious seasoning on it, including some Cajun seasoning, some smoked paprika, secret seasoning that I got, which is a roasted garlic seasoning, and of course a little bit of Old Bay. You gotta add some of that. But you want to let the chicken just marinate for a minute, get the bacon rendered down, and this one is already starting off with two fantastic ingredients. Come on, bacon, chicken thighs, Cajun seasoning. Can't go wrong with this one. Just follow the recipe and let me just walk you through it. You get the bacon rendered down. You see how beautiful that looks? You want to cook your chicken right in that bacon fat. And you want to cook this all the way through, because I'm going to toss this after I cut it up in some wing sauce. And that's just going to add to the flavor of this dish. So I'm going to take the chicken, get it out of my pan, and get it put on a sheet pan. And then I'm going to get it diced up, as I said earlier. And I mean, just look how beautiful that is. It's cooked absolutely perfectly. We're going to get it in a bowl. And then we're going to mix it with some Frank's Red Hot. And come on, man, y'all already know. Look how beautiful that looks already. This is going to be so good. So let me get my board cleaned off. And then it is all about the cheese. Hey guys, if you have the opportunity, please follow me. Please make sure you like this video, share it with your friends. I appreciate everybody that's been sharing the video. And I thank you so much for all the support. So now that we got the cheese ready, we got some Kobe Jack, we got some Monterey Jack, and of course, we got some sharp cheddar. And I mean, just look at that. We want as much cheese as possible. You want nice, gooey, delicious mac and cheese. We don't do that dry stuff over here. We want to make sure that this is nice and creamy. And also, this was a request from my wife, so I can't disappoint. You know what I'm saying? So for your pot, for your water, make sure you salt that water like a sea and get that ready for the pasta. I did use some capitelli, which I'm going to be throwing in there shortly. So let's get this cheese sauce started. So you get about 3/4 of a stick of butter, and then a little bit of a third of some flour. Get it seasoned up with some of my same seasoning, some of that Tony's, a little bit of that Old Bay. You're gonna make sure you throw in some onion powder, some smoked paprika, and then a little bit of garlic paste. And you want to get that all mixed in with the roux. Once that roux is exactly where you need it, come in with some condensed milk and just slowly start to work this in. Make sure you use your whisk, and it'll tighten up really quickly. But it's already smelling fantastic. The perfuming of the roux, man, it's on point. Now that you got your condensed milk in there, you want to add in some heavy cream. And then of course I got to add in a little more of that Frank's Red Hot. It can't be buffalo mac and cheese without some buffalo sauce. Add in some regular whole milk, or you can use 2%. And then you start working that cheese in. And I mean, come on, man, look at that. That's going to be so delicious on this mac and cheese. And then we're going to basically layer everything. It's already on point. So you get your pasta in there. I know for people who don't say pasta, you get your noodles in the pan, and then you get those all al dente. Then you're gonna come in with the cheese sauce, work everything in, get it mixed in perfectly, and you can hear that sound, so you know The mac and cheese is exactly where you want it. Get a pan ready, or a baking dish ready to put this in the oven for a few minutes. Then we're going to top it with some of our chicken. And y'all don't forget about the bacon. Make sure you add some of that bacon on top. We got some more cheese we're going to put in the middle as well. And then we're going to finish it off with the rest of the mac and cheese. Just like that. Anybody want to come over? Just tell me, okay? It's okay. You're more than welcome to come over. Put some more of the chicken on top to finish it off. Make sure everything is spread out nicely. Finish it off with the bacon. And then that last bit of cheese that we got left. And this mac and cheese is ready to go in the oven. You just want it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Enough for the cheese on the top to be melted. And you get that beautiful look. But she's all done. Look how beautiful. And I put it in the oven at 350 degrees, okay? You don't need to have it in there for a high temperature. And shout out to Chef Teeny. You always go right in the middle, okay? Go right in the middle. Look at that. Oh, man. All right, y'all know we got to taste this. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that. That's so good. Damn, that's so good. On to the next one, guys.